Today in Uttar Pradesh, senior Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan has won a major legal victory. After about 23 months in Sitapur jail, he secured bail in what was described as his last pending case. This clears the way for his release. Let's walk through which cases got bail, what delayed him, and how he finally got out. Azam Khan was facing over 80 to 100 criminal cases, most filed after 2017. These ranged from land grabbing, cheating, alleged encroachment of enemy property, to use of forged documents. A key release came on September 18, 2025, when the Allahabad High Court granted him bail in the Quality Bar land grabbing case in Rampur. This was seen as a turning point. In that case, the FIR was filed in November 2019. It included allegations that property, a hotel or bar land, was illegally leased under suspicious circumstances. Initially, Azam Khan was not named in this 2019 FIR. Only in 2024 was he made an accused and a charge sheet was filed in early 2025. Earlier on September 10, 2025, he had gotten bail in another case, the Dungarpur case related to alleged encroachment. However, even after getting these bails, there were fresh charges that complicated his release. In particular, police in Rampur invoked newer IPC sections in one FIR, which relate to forgery using forged documents as genuine and destruction of evidence. These required new bail applications. While courts granted bail in multiple major cases, Azam Khan could not be released because of delays in getting release orders, paperwork, and additional charges filed in some FIRs. The final bail order in the last pending case reached Sitapur jail only just before this release. One issue was that whenever one case's bail was granted, sometimes another FIR would be used to keep him in custody. This kind of legal chain delayed the actual exit. Throughout this period, his family expressed concern over his health. He is reportedly elderly and suffering from several ailments. His wife and sons visited, brought medicines, and raised concerns that the jail conditions were worsening his physical condition. When the bail in the Quality Bar case was granted, his legal counsel said this was a final major hurdle and that once formalities and release orders were processed, he should be free. So to sum up, Azam Khan got bail in several high-profile cases, most importantly the Quality Bar land grab and Dungarpur case. Fresh charges and procedural delays had held up his release despite bail orders. Finally, with all required orders in place and no major case left pending, he is now set to walk out of Sitapur jail. The story is not only legal, it has strong political overtones. His release may shift local politics, affect his party's morale, and influence forthcoming elections. And while he has bail now, appeals and other legal processes in convicted cases will likely continue. For more updates, keep watching The News Point.